90% of traders lose money. Not because trading is hard, but because nobody teaches it the right way. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact beginner roadmap to day trading in 2026. What's up? I'm William. I trade stocks and teach beginners how to build real trading skills. If you want the full blueprint and live lessons, join my Skool community linked below. Let's break down day trading step by step for you. What is day trading? Day trading is buying and selling stocks within the same day to capture small price movements. Unlike investing, you're not holding for months or years. You're in and out in minutes or hours. The goal is a consistency, not gambling. The goal is consistency, not gambling. Most beginners fail because they treat trading like a casino instead of a business. Tools you need. For day trading, you only need 3 things. All right. A brokerage account, a charting platform like TradingView, basic strategy with strict management. You do not need fancy indicators to start. Some of those brokerage accounts like Webull, Thinkorswim, or Interactive Brokers. Here's a beginner-friendly strategy that works in 2026. Step 1, find stocks with high volume and news. These move fast. Step 2, wait for a breakout or a pullback on the 5-minute chart. Step 3, enter with a stop loss below support and target at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. The key is waiting for confirmation, not chasing green candles. This is the most important part of trading. This is why most traders lose money. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Okay, if you have $1,000, you should risk only $10, maybe $20 per trade. One bad day should never blow your account. Trading is about surviving long enough to get good. It's mostly mental. You're gonna lose trades and you're gonna have bad days. It's just how it is. The goal is discipline and consistency, not being right every single trade. I'm not even right every single trade. It can take months or even years to become consistently profitable. So treat this like a skill, not a get-rich-quick scheme. That is not what we're doing. You can start with as little as $100 using a cash account or paper trading. The goal at first is not money, it's skill. Once you're consistent, getting capital is easy. System, daily lessons, and live community, join my school. It's linked in the description and free to join. Subscribe if you want real trading content with no fake gurus, and comment trader if you're starting in 2026.